Hey there, I know what it's like. Hours at the desk, that nagging ache in your back, and barely a minute to spare. What if I told you that you can find real relief in just 5 minutes a day? That's right. I'm inviting you to a quick 5-day yoga challenge designed specifically for office workers like us. Let's get pain-free, one workday at a time. Alright, let's jump right in. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a chair and a little space. Ready? Day 1, seated cat-cow. Sit up tall at the edge of your chair, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your knees. As you inhale, arch your back and look up, opening your chest. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Move slowly between these two positions for 1 minute. This helps loosen up your spine and ease that desk stiffness. Day 2, seated spinal twist. Sit tall, cross your right hand over to your left knee, and gently twist your torso left. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This one's a game changer for tight lower backs and helps you breathe deeper too. Day 3, forward fold. Stand up, feet hip-width apart. Hinge at your hips and slowly fold forward, letting your arms dangle. Bend your knees as much as you need. Stay here for a minute, swaying gently side to side. You'll feel tension melt away from your lower back and hamstrings. Day 4, figure 4, stretch. Sit back down. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, flex your right foot, and lean forward from your hips. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch. This opens up your hips, which get super tight from all that sitting. Day 5, chest opener. Stand up, interlace your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms. Lift your hands slightly, opening your chest wide. Hold and breathe deeply for a minute. This reverses those hunchy desk vibes and leaves you feeling more energized. And that's it. 5 minutes a day, 5 days, 5 simple moves. I challenge you to try it out this week. Set a reminder on your phone or rope in a coworker. Your back will thank you, your mood will thank you, and you might just inspire your whole office to move a little more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick wellness tips. Remember, your health matters, even during the busiest workday. Take care of your back, and it'll take care of you.